In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Google Drive files with others. So what you first need to do is go to Google Drive. To do that, provided you're logged into your Google account in the top right hand corner, you can just search Drive and here you'll see the sign in. Go ahead and click on that and then it will take you to this window. Just make sure you're logged into the correct account. You can change it in the top right hand corner. Once you're here, you'll probably be on the home page. It's going to show you all these files here if you've got them on your account. Now, if you don't have any files, this will be blank. Now, the first thing you would need to do is go ahead and upload the files. So there are a couple of ways that you can do this. If you're sharing a bunch of files and folders, what I would recommend is go new, then go new folder, and then call this folder something relevant to the files. I'm just going to call these shared files and we can click create. Now, once we create that folder, it's going to be there forever and we can find it in My Drive. So if you go to My Drive on the left, here you can see shared files. If we double click in this, this is going to act as a folder like any normal folder would do on your computer. From here, we can either drop files in or go to new and add files. So if you've already got the files open in a file explorer, you can go ahead and highlight all of them and you can drop them onto Drive and see how it recognizes those files and accepts them. You can also go new, file upload, and then you can go ahead and select the files in the exact same way. Either way, get the files uploaded into the folder. Now we've got these files uploaded, we can close out of this and we can go ahead and share the folder. To do that, you can right click on the folder name and you can do this anywhere, no matter where you are on Google Drive. Then go to share and then click share again. Now there are two main ways that you can share files or folders. The first way being you can invite them via email. So I could go ahead and type in someone's email, their Gmail account in here, and they will get an email saying, Bradley has invited you to access these files. That is the first way. Now by doing it this way, they are going to have to accept through their Gmail, but it's a good way if you want a secure way to share the files. Once you type in their email, you can choose if you want them to view, comment, or be able to edit these files. If they are able to edit them, they can add and delete files as well. So just bear that in mind. You can then click send and it will send the email invitation. The next way is by inviting them via a link. So if you copy this link, it's going to give you a link to your Google Drive documents. Now, if you keep it unrestricted, you can go ahead and share the link with them, yes. But if they click on it, they are going to need your approval before you give them access to these files. So if it's 2 a.m., you're asleep and they click on the link, then they won't be able to access the files because you need to go onto your email first and approve them when they try and access. If you do change this to anyone with the link though, you can copy this link and give it to someone. As long as you trust them that they won't share it with anyone else, they'll be able to go to this link straight away and they'll be able to access the files provided they're logged in to their Google Drive. As you can see here are the files. They could go ahead and download these as well. That's how you do it.